Hello folks, good morning. Welcome to another video. So time check, it's 9:40 a.m. and the weather is just very dull at the moment. And it's a little bit chill at this point. Imagine 2 days, 3 days ago it's just super hot around here. And now suddenly the weather changed like this and it's just way different. Temperature drops again and yeah. Weird. Oh, by the way, big shout out to Paul. Nice to meet you. He's inviting me to his apartment and the wifey is there as well. I just didn't go. I don't want to disturb their beautiful little morning, you know. They're having a great time there, so I just wave with them and talk a little bit, but I didn't go to the apartment. So yeah, I want privacy. They have the holiday there, so I want in there. But big shout out. Thanks for the invite, Paul. Hope to see you around. Like I said, folks, look at the weather today. Just very dull, bit chill. Tempered drops. But if you're walking or doing something, it's okay. But when you're sitting there just wondering, it's cold. But if you're walking and enjoying life, yeah, that's very nice. So yep, bit quiet at the moment. Morning is just like a typical morning here in Lanzarote, especially here in Puerto del Carmen. This very quick update, folks, just to show you around what's going on from time to time. So time check, it's 10 a.m. and everything is in good shape. Even the ice cream shop is starting to open up. The weather's not great. No sun to be found. Maybe later on the sun will pop out. I hope so. People are looking forward with that. But yesterday, 2 days ago, it's just super hot around here. Wow. I'm so jealous to all the people that are enjoying, beautiful weather. Whew. And lying down one of these beach around is just like, it's a pleasure. So let's have a closer look at the beach. I know we've been here before, you see this before, but yeah, lovely to meet all the people that come here and say hello to the bar, especially to all the subscribers and managing to come here and say hello to me in the bar. So big shout out, guys. And of course, Puerto del Carmen, the biggest playground I have. So look at the sand, still here. They buried this post, right? Look, they not even fix it yet, but maybe when the season like super hot already, they're gonna fix it. Look how hot tide it is. Nature's giving back, and people need to understand that we need to help the nature. Look at that, garbage everywhere. What this one, apple is okay because in time to time it will dissolve, and it will dissolve in time. But plastic like this one, lighter, oh, it's gonna be 100 years before dissolved. So straight to the bin. Choo. I know the owner of that lighter didn't even realize the lighter's gone. So yeah. No littering, There's a garbage bin every 5 minutes you walk around here in Puerto del Carmen. So whoa. It's low tide because it's way far from here up to the very end. That's like yeah, I'm really happy today because of Paul just inviting me in their apartments. I just don't want to disturb their early morning routines. Like, they're very happy in the terrace, and suddenly Paul came to me asking me if I want to go to their apartments. But it's a good thing, to give perspective view for the people of the apartments, but for some reason I don't want to disturb people. I don't do, or I'm shy, a bit shy, to be honest. But thank you for inviting me. I really appreciate it. Anyway, what's up, Puerto del Carmen? You sleepy? Yeah, a little bit. So this is the time when this ocean is a little bit quiet. Look, even the waves are just relaxed. Look at that. We're just right there, sitting there with the umbrellas and bungalows. And now we're here enjoying the beautiful beauty of this place. You can see the mountain around here is just like very, very gray. Believe me, it's fog. It's moist. It's water. It's not Calima, folks. It's not Calima. Calima have just passed, you know, 2 to 3 days ago. Yesterday's hot, and there's a little bit of Calima, but today no Calima at all. It's just pure winter again. Look, can't even see Fuerteventura right here. Jeez. Woohoo. Look at this restaurant and bar. You know, if you're sitting one of those crystal terrace, be happy to have a piña colada. And of course, the lovely Playa Grande. What else can we ask for, you know? Coming here and talking live. Yesterday I didn't make any video yesterday. It was super hot. Oh, sorry, I work in the morning. That's the one. That's why I don't have any video. So I keep on uploading, keep on telling everyone what's going on. And now we're at 21st of April. I think a month from now Ironman's gonna start, so they're gonna fill up this place with some stage and all the stuff. But not much people are having their trainings. Maybe they do training the other side, like La Santa, because the water is not quite good for some reason. But I think it's gonna be epic when the Ironman starts again. You know, because when the Ironman starts, it means summer. It's just right in the corner. Beds and umbrellas are waiting for you, folks. Wow. Even though we've been here so many times, it feels amazing me every time I come here. Not because I'm living here, because of this nature. You never know what's gonna happen next. You know, sometimes the water is up to here, and sometimes the water is way, way far, like right now. You see? This is what you call low tide. This is a very, very low tide. At this point, it's very far from that one. You know, I remember beds and umbrellas supposed to be like in this side. Now they're not quite sure, that's why they put it in that side at the very end, because you'll never know. Pretty busy Puerto del Carmen. And it's a green flag, as you can see. I gotta enjoy the beach today. Not so much wind, but it's pretty cold today. For me, I don't know, and some people, you know, we're Asian and we live here in tropical country. It's supposed to be like we kindly freeze when it's so cold, but when it's normal, it's just normal. But I hate 40 degrees. That's not my thing. I'd rather be in this kind of weather, like a little bit cold, because you can just put some jacket on and you'll be fine. But this part now, 40 degrees, no way. The tavern is here. Valerie is just fixing things up. Irish Rover is working well. Now they have a good breakfast around there. Pretty big restaurant, to be honest. And Shenanigans is in the other side. A big restaurant as well. So maybe they have a competition to each other, but the same Irish pub. So I think they're sharing people. Who knows? I'm starting to have a chill because it's a little bit cold. The breeze is just coming from this side, and it's pretty fresh. That's why a bit cold. Yesterday it's hot, but there's a wind, so it's quite okay. But now it's cold. Oh man, look! Oh, the boat is just running. You see that boat? You know, I see it a couple of days now. It looks like moving, but I think it's not. Oh, it's really, it's moving. Ah, it's moving, it's moving. I thought it's not. You see it right there, the front. You not see it in the GoPro, do you? It's very small. Very far. What else? What else we have in Puerto del Carmen? Hot breakfast. Cool with that. You know, this morning I have 3 coffees in the coffee shop that we used to have a coffee. You know why? Because there's a lot of Filipino coming and lots of friends. So every time a new friend comes, the other one goes, and I stayed there for a couple of maybe an hour and a half. Every 30 minutes I have a coffee because they invite me. They invite me for a coffee. Just very respectful. They invite you for some coffees. See, speaking of Ironman, look at this. Let's make it much closer. Here you go. You see, it's now open now for Ironman. They're putting now little by little. They're starting to, you know, they're starting to give some space with the Ironman now. So that's the thing. I know in this time of the year Ironman's gonna start, but I don't know when they're gonna start. And then exactly when we were talking about Ironman, they're starting to put some things now for the Ironman. So it's kind of amazing. The biggest event is gonna start again here for the Dakar. Woo. There you go, the sun is here. And just can't go out. Wow, what a beautiful place to enjoy life, eh? You know, sitting in one of those umbrellas and looking at the panorama at the beach, I think you will reminisce of some bad and good things happen to your life. You know, relax, enjoy. We got only one, so we need to enjoy it to the fullest. So anyway, folks, I hope you enjoy our little talk and little walk. And yeah, this is my day. I hope you have the best day of your life. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching and enjoying the vlogs, and see you in the next episode. Peace out. A big shout out to Mr. Allen for my shirt. Cheers. Woohoo! Happy holidays. Just thinking about it's already summer, and then when you close your eyes again, it's Christmas. That's how fast the life's rolling, yeah. Well, thank you for watching, folks, and have a great day, and see you in the next one. Babush. Bye bye. I thought our vlog is finished that way, but it didn't. Just keep on filming. So we are here at the beach terrace that I used to work before. Right there. All good memories around. Especially in these trees. 1, 2, the trees. You know, this palm tree. 1, 2, 3, and the big ones right there. We're just taking care of. It's just like, you know, putting some water down, cleaning every day. And it's just, I really miss it. You know, look at this. It's supposed to have like three chairs around here. The bar is right there, and like I can't remember, there's one table here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tables, and 3 more tables there, and this one is open, and the bar is here. Look, see this is the bar, and it's nothing now, nothing left. And that part, big one, is like the toilet and what do you call this, storage room. And we have a long wood pile right here, so people can walk down. Shame there's no more bar here. I hope Fariones do something about this one, or maybe they fix this one for the people to walk on, you know. It's just like in the side, this Fariones is very awesome because they have some long walk path, but after that, when you pass through here, it's just like this. It's very, very, you know, boring and sandy at the same time. Everything's broke around here. So yep. Shame the weather don't have any spark on it, you know. It's good to walk around and enjoying the beautiful weather, but we don't have any beautiful weather today. We just have this very dull sky, and I don't know, later on, look, very gray. I hope there's no rain. I think it's not gonna rain, it's just gonna be like this so the whole day. Hope no. I hope the sun come out later on. The people are walking here. It's very awesome. You know, when I find this place, when I discovered this pathway a year ago, 2 years ago, when they're still doing the Fariones Plus, it's just very amazing. You know, you can walk all the way here out to the old town if you want to. So yeah, big advantage. Yes, of course, all the bars and restaurants on this side are neighbors around here in the beach bar. Just like they come for a takeaway sometimes, you know. And people that are having here, and they go straight in the bar sometimes when they have some football. They're inviting people, especially me, including me. They invite me there, and I didn't even go because I don't know who's gonna support, you know. There's a lot of football club around there, so I don't know who's gonna support. So yeah. So folks, if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and subscribe. I think I'm gonna end the vlog right now. So yeah, thank you for watching, and have a great day. See you in the next one. Peace. Bye bye. Bye bye. Woohoo. Bye bye from Lanzarote.